Good morning, everyone. So today we're continuing our work with function notation. So of course our topic of today is function notation. Our learning target today, I can evaluate functions for specific inputs by using function notation. Let's get straight into it. Problem number 1 reads, given f of x equals x squared minus 4x plus 5 and g of x equals 3x squared, compare the values of f of negative 5 and g of 4. So I see that I have two functions written in the form of a function notation. We have f of x and we have g of x. And the question is basically asking me to compare the values of f of negative 5 and g of 4. I'm going to do this by first plugging in this negative 5 and this 4 in place of x in this respected function. So starting with f of negative 5, I'm going to take this negative 5 and replace it with put it in place of every x in f of x. So we have f, not want to use yellow. So we have f of negative 5 equals negative 5 squared minus 4 times negative 5 plus 5. Now all I did was take this negative 5 and put in place of x everywhere in the function. And of course, I rewrite f of negative 5. Negative 5 squared gives me positive 25. Negative 4 times negative 5 gives me positive 20. And then I bring down my plus 5. And then f of negative 5 equals 25 plus 20 plus 5, which is 50. Now on to g of 4. I want to take this 4 and replace every x with it in the function g of x. So we will have g of 4 equals 3 times 4 squared because we replaced every x with 4 in the function g of x. Again, of course, we rewrite g of 4. And 4 squared is 16. We bring down our g of 4 again. 3 times 16 is 48. So I see that f of negative 5 is 50 and g of 4 is positive 48. So when I compare the two, I know that 50 is greater than 48. Therefore, f of negative 5 is greater than g of 4 because 50 is greater than 48. So here goes your problem 2 for the day. You know what to do. Take a screenshot, write it down, solve it, and answer it in your assignment of the day. Have a good day, guys. Oh.